Welcome to PSL Pulse. I'm joined by Zinaro.
Yeah, ngiyabonga mina kethu mara lento le yendekela muhla lana. Nami ngiyaqala kuyibona lento le. Ubhadala imali mara kufuna uphathele igas. Uphathele igas ukuthi utofika undlale phansi ulale. Kutokhona kubona ibhola ledlalako. Lento le lendekela mhla lana asafuna uphinza siyibone futhi. Akube into yokuqala iphinze imbe yokugcina. Yeah, into le thina le bestele kutokuyenda la muhla la. Kuto practice ngobe kunebantu la already sipoko sabo sesabaphika manje. Naso lesipoko sesiqalile kubaleka asafuni ukuthi sithi associate nabo manje ngobe siyathi ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs seyafika manje senyalo yelo njengoba sesikhuluma nesithundi sabo asisekho tude nabo sekusele nje nethi babuka babona Kaizer Chiefs kuphela so Kaizer Chiefs kuphela kude lenye team la eAfrica hayi South Africa yonke mina kethu yeah so coming to the game lamuhla ne igame lamuhla ngicabanga ukuthi well because vela iembe kwi practice ngibona ngathi is right but we cannot measure idabi lesodlala nayo ngale game lena angeke sisebenzise le game ku measure idabi yona siprepare kwayona kwahlobo nayi asihlanganisi nale yes
so today's man of the match
Cross.
Why Cross?
Now uyabona na ubonile is one of the best he has proved himself honestly speaking he has done wonderful so today he has been so wonderful ngisengicabanga ukuthi the way he did his work he has improved I think nalama coach bazamile ukuthi bamcoach ukuthi akhona ukuthi improve mara nyalo udlale kakhulu lamhla he was one of the best marvelous
so according to you don't complain about the pitch.
No ngikhophela ngegrandstand hayi pitch ipitch angisina laba practice khona kuyafana nala mara into le balekile thine nathi abasicabangela ngobe lethi buntu yethu ubhlungu lethi hey ebunaka phela kufanele ngiyalo utene egas or utene isicamelo utene matrans that is another thing mara ipitch yona well angeke ngize ngicomplain ngepitch ngicomplaina kakhulu ngokuthi abaqabangele thine as ama supporters ema team lamakhulu yes bona bajwayele ukuhlala etitini akusivela they are used to sit in the breaks but they must know that when Chiefs comes they must consider that Kaizer Chiefs supporters are not like Polokwane City supporters because those ones they are used to sit in the breaks and we are not used to that yes that is different.
You can't say we are ready for derby because of that performance. It was like a practice match for you.
It was not like it was definitely it was a practice match for us. We came prepared to come and practice so eshilo lesha isitelela namuhla ukuta practice itilungisela soko yahlangana derby because a derby is one of the best la kuthiwa Africa hinkwayo or in the world so before yahlangana derby ifanele itululamisela so this is what we have done itululamiselile kuhlangana derby and ready kuyahlangana derby.
Thank you member.
And the